People are getting millions of views with AI home building shorts, and today I'll show you exactly how you can create these videos and how they can actually make money if done right. In this video, I'll show you the full step-by-step process, from creating the images to turning them into a realistic construction video using AI, and how this content helps in monetization. So watch carefully. First, we need two images. I've given the prompts in the description. Copy prompt 1, paste it into ChatGPT. It will turn it into a highly detailed image prompt. Now paste that into Whisk AI, select aspect ratio, and generate. Choose your best image and save it. Now we need the same scene but without the house. Open ChatGPT, upload the image, simply type remove the house. Within seconds it removes the building but keeps the environment perfect. Save this too. Now it's time for video generation. Go to Flow AI. Create a project. Select frames to video. Use the empty frame first, then the house image second. Paste the second prompt from description. Hit generate. Boom. AI turns it into a realistic construction animation. These types of AI building shorts perform really well if you post consistently. They can help you get views, grow your channel, and once your channel is eligible, Shorts monetization and other earning options like affiliate and brand deals are possible. But remember, it depends on consistency and quality, not magic. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Reavron because we're powering smart creation. See you in the next one.